and my EUC community has been asking me for a video on how to stretch or warm up before your ride and stretch after your ride, especially for those days when you're riding for a very long time and you feel that you're getting a little bit, sore, yes, and you need a little break and your body is aching. You guys know what I mean. So here are a few examples of what you can do, and you're gonna do this with your baby. Yes, with your wheel. So grab your wheel, and we're gonna start off with the warm-up. So let's say, for example, that you're off, that you wanna go riding, and you just woke up, and you need to get some blood pumping through your veins, right? So we're gonna start with the feet, because we put a lot of pressure on our feet when we ride. So let's do, you're holding on to your wheel, yes, and you're using some balance here as well. So you're using the wheel for support, keeping that core super tight and engaged, and circling the feet, bringing some blood circulation through the joints. From here, and you choose how long you want to do this. You swing your leg back and forth, and again, there's a lot of balance in here, but we do have balance because we ride these babies, right? So use your wheel, and if it just feels like it's too much to use the wheel, you can stand next to a park bench, a tree, a wall, whatever you have, right? And from here, you're gonna bend the knee, bring it up, so we're also engaging the muscles around the knees, getting those hip flexors ready also, and at the same time getting some blood circulation going through the lower back, because we do put a lot of stress and pressure on the lower back when we ride. All right, good. Switch leg. We're gonna start again. Make sure you can switch side if you want to, if you feel like you need more support on the other side. That is totally up to you. So we're gonna start with the foot. Again, circles. And you do as many as you choose. It's your body, just listen. And from here, we're gonna swing the leg back. Just don't hit your wheel. And the last thing was the knee, lifting the knee. So that was a quick recap, guys. Yeah? Awesome. From here, we're gonna focus on the lower back and the core a little bit. So you're gonna have your wheel in front of you. You're gonna stand hip width apart with your feet, parallel position, keeping that core engaged. And we're gonna use the wheel for this. So core engaged, push your sit bones back, and you're gonna hinge from the hips, keeping that core super tight and pushing the wheel forward. Initiating a flat back position. Push your belly button into your spine. I know, yes, we say that actually. And breathe. And from here, inhale, and push yourself all the way up, keeping that core tight and engaged. And you can choose to do this as many times as you want. Another variation of this is you push the wheel forward, and we're gonna engage some knees as well. So you're gonna inhale, bending those knees. Exhale, extension. Inhale, bend the knees. Exhale, extend. Last one. Inhale, bend the knees. And last one. And bring yourself up. And again, if you don't want to do it with your wheel, grab a park bench, a tree, a wall, whatever works for you. Yes? Good. Now, let's talk about calf muscles. I usually, when I ride, I get really sore calf muscles, mostly feet and calf muscles, especially during long periods of time where I haven't been riding a lot, and I start riding again, I go for super long rides. So lower back is also a big problem. So I need to engage my core a little bit more when I'm riding. That usually helps, but the stretch that we did The dynamic stretch is also a perfect example. So let's go into the calf muscles a little bit. So we're gonna stand with our feet, again, hip width apart. You're holding on to your wheel. You're gonna take one step forward, push yourself back and lift the toes on one leg. From here, belly button in, engage the core hinge from your hips, pushing yourself forward. Don't collapse your upper body now. Keep those shoulder blades really in together. You can also press the elbows back, that helps to engage that scapula retraction. Hold it there. And we're gonna bring the toes back down. Inhale, lift them up. And exhale, come back. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. And inhale, lift. Exhale, down. From here, you're gonna engage that core, bring the foot to the back, press the heel down into the floor. And you're gonna open up in the chest, holding this calf stretch, yes? So it's back sides here, you will feel it also as well. And really important that the knee in the front does not fall in. So keep it there, keep the knee pointing forward, yes? Amazing. All right, coming back in, and we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Take one step forward, bring yourself back, push the toes up, and from here you're gonna lower and keep that scapula. Remember, the elbows can go back to help with that scapular retraction, keeping that core super duper tight. And if this is not enough, you can totally use a wall. So you push your foot against the wall instead of being like this. But this usually doesn't trick. Yes? So you have the option of the wall or tree, whatever works. And bring your foot down and come up. And again, down, up. And again, down. And come up. One more. Down and up. Push the toes down. Lift yourself all the way up. Bringing that foot to the back. Pressing down through the heel. Slight bend in the front leg. And again, opening up through that chest. So we're working on posture here, guys. Yes? No slouching. You can keep that for your riding style if you want to. But now, we're engaged. Posture is key. And then slowly release and come back in and just shake it off. So the last thing I'm going to show you guys before you head out riding or before you finish your riding session, we're just going to open up the chest because a lot of you have this riding style, the baboon style, and I see that you're walking like this. And guys, there is nothing sexier than a man with good posture. Remember that, okay? So core tight. You're gonna keep that wheel in between your legs for that extra balance actually, because you're gonna press the inside of your thighs, engaging that core, opening that chest, pressing the shoulders down, and we're gonna lift the shoulders up and circulating to the back. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now bringing the hands with you, elbows up and down, elbows up and down, elbows up and down. Let's go with the hands and lift the hands all the way up, open up to the back. Inhale, circles, big circles here. One more, inhale and exhale, and just grab that posture, grab onto your wheel, and you're good to go. Enjoy, guys. I hope this is of any use to you. Let me know, and yeah, let me know if you want me to make any more of these videos. I have a lot more exercises for you to do that will improve and help your riding in so many ways. And I'm not talking about your riding styles or skills. I'm talking about the before and after effects that riding has on the body. Take care.